Hey, what's going on, everybody? Steve here, Raiken Profit. It's 7:52 a.m. right now. I'm in the parking lot at my gym getting ready to go in and start my day off right, get in a nice workout. But I had something on my mind and I wanted to share it with you guys because a lot of people who follow my channel, and this was even me for the longest time, we focus on, our main goal in business is to make more money. And we're always focusing on, what's the next item to buy? What's the next business to start? Or how can I amplify what I'm already doing? How can I make more money in my business? And there's two sides of the coin when it comes to growing your overall net worth and making more money. And one side is making more money, but also another side is minimizing expenses, minimizing bills, and saving money where you can. And this is gonna be a very simple video. I'm not gonna go huge into depth. But one of the things that I did recently, and this is something you should do periodically, maybe once a month or at least once a quarter, is go through all of your statements, okay? So this is just basic personal finance, but I feel like it's overlooked because a lot of people were just focused on make more money, make more money, make more money, but we never really take a look at, did our reoccurring bills increase? Like, for example, my bookkeeping service just increased in price and I may or may not want to keep it. Do we have subscriptions to stupid things that we don't even use anymore? Maybe that's business, maybe that's personal. For example, maybe your phone bill went up or your cable bill went up and you could renegotiate that. Or maybe, something got tacked on one of your bills. You didn't realize it. You got charged something on your credit card. You didn't realize it. Once a month, once a quarter, once a week, whatever that is for you, go through all of your bills. Now, one of the things I've talked about in the past is making sure that your business and personal are separated, right? So anytime you buy something for your business, an expense and income, it should be separated, right? So your expenses should be on its own business credit card, or at least a credit card that's only for your business. Your income should be coming through only on your, business account, so on and so forth. But you should be going through every now and then and checking and minimizing and getting rid of / eliminating bills that are affecting you every single month. Because, if you're getting hit by a bill or you're getting charged an increased amount, that's taking away from your bottom line. So just make sure to go through every now and then, check all your credit cards, right? Business and personal. Check your bank accounts, make sure you're not getting charged. Check your PayPal, make sure you're not getting charged something additional or something that you completely forgot about. And you've got to make sure to go into your PayPal settings to take a look at your reoccurring subscription fees, because these things add up. And I just practiced this exercise the other day. And one thing that I actually did, and you guys may or may not be able to relate to this, but I have an email provider that I use, ConvertKit, and I realized that my bill had gone up substantially. And it's because my email subscriber base had grown so much recently. And it went up from like $230 a month to like $350. And one thing that I did is I went in and I found all my cold subscribers, people who weren't opening my emails, and I ended up, sending them a campaign and deleting them, and it took my bill from, $350 down to $200. So I saved $150 off the bat. I eliminated a bunch of apps that I wasn't using on the on my iPhone store, so on and so forth, and I minimized probably a good over $400 a month, just because I was being lazy and I didn't go through and look and update it. And I negotiated a couple things with my cable company and my internet, so on and so forth. So just make sure to go through and check this out from time to time, okay? We're always so focused on making more money, but we can hold on to more money and grow our net worth if we take care of both sides of the equation, not only focusing on making more money, but reducing bills, minimizing bills, eliminating bills, and negotiating bills. So that's all I got for you guys today. Hopefully this helps. One more tip I would give you guys and gals is create a spreadsheet, whether that's on Excel or that's on, on Google, one of those, cloud-based spreadsheets. That's what I use. And write out all your expenses, write out all your income, but especially all your expenses, and break it up between personal and business, and go through them line by line. And if you see anything new, you add it to it. And if you see any discrepancies in price, adjust it or contact the company. It'll make things a lot easier for you. This has helped me out a lot. But with that being said, hopefully this helped you guys out, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.